Yun nga lang, inikat min na gizay fruit cocktail, inikat min na gizay ano pa, yung gizay na tumakan nangingi na magagatangan kayo.
Nestle cream.
Pineapple.
Yun. And replace them with Highland vegetables. Speaking of vegetables, thank you to Ma'am Nora and the rest of the, anong pangalan ng organization ni Ma'am? La Trinidad Disposers. League of Associations dito yung Trading Post. Isuda timan hindi nang i-provide ijay vegetables with Chef Sky. Ijay equivalent speaking na ramit na nalawlawan di kusina ni ijay. But nakamimot lang ni Health 101 leading the preparation. As the owner, naragsak, pirmiti ragsak po, mamangkita nga naibos. Ipakita man si Dr. nga pandita Ems.
Dalawa yun, dalawang pa.
Yan, meron tayong
Yes!
egg yan. Oversized data nga chafing dish.
Mag-500.
Na kayo i-first na nakusarita.
Yes!
Dapat kaya.
Yes!
In-impact mo na yung Ma'am Nora, adati remembrance mechanism, di pinanggata ko, adati resibo ka nita. Na, di ba? Ayun. So, say the first nga what is this? Iparaman mi kanayo. Actually, nakasagana kami pa iti. May sapay nga pan madaptalizay ng punada pang bigat data. So, dati oras yung bigat, kumay kayo madan. The part of our demo, we are blessed this afternoon. We have friends from Pakistan.
Yes.
They are here for few months. Working with our church, doing some ministries, especially cooking ministry. Naswerte kami, Doktora, anak nakingayam ka tagitoy. They're staying in an apartment in Jai 80 days. Ijay Panti Church ni Jai Adventist. But idinaramanan ni tinutuda na amumay suda, kasalada mo't lang iguro. They are like
Igurot like
us. Their doors are open. Kaya't mapan kami ng mangkakakan tinututuan da. And mind you, Lola Feli, even, like it's a anak ko maupubing, they love the dishes. Kaya sabi ko, kasi napan kami mananitirapi, they let us taste alu and beans, or alu is potato and beans, hindi sada lang, imas. So this afternoon, Ma'am Lubna and Pastor will be doing 2 dishes. One with zucchini na ginatang nilita ruar, and another dish with what's the isang
Egg.
pangalan nito?
Plant.
This is forgets, di ba? Forgets? May term nito sa may isang nagang eggplant din? O basta, eggplant and
Talong.
potato. So, actually, nalpas lang na ito yung may isa. Naluto na na ito yun. Luto. Ano kayo unay iti... Sir, itutok mo dito yun. Ano kayo unay iti sili? Agay ayat na dito yung maparus dito yung iso na timang raman. So, mamlutnan. May can side by side with mamlutnan. So while we are preparing, any questions si Jay Macaroni Salad kayo?
comment.
Nung nalipatan yung kay Raman na at dabay tinabati. Ramanan yung manan.
Or any comment.
Any comment? Yeah, very,
Deliciously healthy.
yeah, it's fulfilling. Guilt-free. Diba? Dapat masin kasi natin sugar tayo. But what matters, we prove na mabalin. In fact, when we first did that, tatlo naman yung twist na
no ibabat tayo or agaramit tayo iti syrup, ngayon na tayo iti cinnamon bark or cinnamon powder o iti cinnamon bark. Tartaro di sayote. Tapno dismolar jay song ano jay angot ni kamote. Ay, I'm sorry, sayote. And speaking of kamote, no kahit yung inayon, may ito na rin, adding more colors like yellow kamote or orange.
Violet.
Yeah, especially the colored ones. Tapno mas colorful. Kasi sabi nila sa nutrition, we should eat the colors of the rainbow. The more colors in your plate, the healthier. Okay? No, fried chicken dito bangier. Okay naman fried chicken kasi ito may agsana dito bangier. Tapos ko ba kasi? Question? So what? So, yes, Doctora,